In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can mirror your Mac, whether it be MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, or iMac, to your TV using Apple TV. Okay, go ahead and make sure that you get your Apple TV all set up on your TV and installed. Okay, once everything's on the same Wi-Fi network, your Apple TV's installed, the next thing you're going to want to do is go to the top right corner and you'll see these two little pill icons that's called Control Center. Right there. So you'll go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up all these different options and bubbles. You're going to want to click on this one right here. It looks like two little squares, and that's two screens that are on top of each other. You'll click on that. What this does is it brings up all the devices that can be mirrored on your Wi-Fi network. And you'll see right there on my second one there, I got Juan's office TV, but it's my Apple TV. So then I'll go ahead and click on that. Okay, then on my screen, you'll get a few options here where I can either mirror the entire screen, I can do a window or app, or I can extend my display so that way I have two different screens. But since I want to mirror the entire screen, I'm going to leave it on that, and then I'm going to click on Start Mirroring. Also on your TV, you'll see that it gives this option here to choose to mirror or extend display. Okay, there you have it. Now my Mac is now displaying on my TV, and that's the easy way to mirror your Mac to your TV using Apple TV. Okay, and then when you want to stop mirroring, you just go back up to those two pills, the Control Center, click on that, go ahead and click on this icon again right here. When you click on that, it says that it's currently mirroring, so you can click right there where it says stop mirroring. Those are the different options of how to mirror your Mac, iMac, MacBook Pro, any Mac to your TV.